what it do? What's up? Can I? Hey. What's poppin', fam? What's up? What's good? What's going on? It's your girl Crystal, okay? AKA Curly Chris, your absolute favorite, the one you love, the one who loves you, okay? And in today's video, we are doing a relax, get ready to go to bed / get ready with me type of video, okay? Today, y'all, has been a very long day at work and I have to get up really early in the morning. So I wanted to go ahead and film this routine with you guys just based on my hair, basically, because it is wash day. And since I had a very stressful day, I was like, let me just go ahead and show you guys everything in today's video just because I love you all that much and I want to create some different kind of content with you for you guys as well. So before we go ahead and get into today's video, if you are not already joined the Curly Chris family, we have an issue, okay? Smash that button down below, okay? Smash the button down below because your life depends on it. Like, no, for real, your life really does depend on it, okay? Don't try it. As you guys can see, I look very ratchet right now. I know. Look, it's different when you're self-aware, baby, okay? When you're self-aware, there's nothing you can do to me. Can I get an amen? Period. There's nothing that you can do to me to tear me down because I am self-aware since I know I look hit. I know I do, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just wash this hair. We're going to get this hair right today. And then we're going to style it and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and jump right into the details of today's video. Alright, so in today's video, we are co-washing my hair. And the entire video is sponsored by Originals by Africa's Best. So shout out to you guys for sponsoring your girl's video today. I got this huge box featuring their very new collection, guys. And this is their Honey and Castor collection. And you guys know Honey and Castor is the perfect combination for dry hair. Period, sis. Honey is great for moisture. Castor is great for strength. What more do you want from me? What more do you want? Tell me. I'm giving you moisture and strength all in one. Like, come on, sis. Let's hop on the wagon, okay? Let's get to it, okay? So inside of this box, I got a whole lot of goodies, including a honey sucker, okay? This is the hooky girl some sweets. How they know I got cavities? Like, I got cavities, Africa's Best, okay? Y'all can't be just sending me sweets like this because the girl got cavities, okay? So anyway, they sent me a whole natural honey lollipop, okay? And then I also got all types of goodies as well. And we're gonna get into these goodies throughout the video. So let's go ahead and talk about what we're gonna be using for this wash day. So I'm going to be using the Honey and Castor co-wash, okay? So I'm gonna get into all the details of what we're gonna be using step by step as I go through my routine. So let's go ahead and hop right in the shower, not waste any time, and get started with this routine so sis can relax and just be rejuvenated, okay? So to set the tone, I'm going to go ahead and light some candles because I most definitely like to have a little candles lit, especially when I'm feeling a little, stressed or whatever. So just to set the tone a little bit, I go ahead and set me some aromatherapy candles from Bath & Body Works. They are my favorite, sis, okay? Like, I have so many candles in general, but whenever I have a stressful day, candles plus a music playlist. This one is my favorite right now to just relax. It's the Mood playlist on Apple Music. It's my go-to, sis. Check it out if you want to get in a good mood, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the water. And y'all, my hair is a hot, funky mess, baby. Like, it is nice and dirty, okay? So it is most definitely time to wash. It's more so dry than dirty. Like, it's not really filthy. It's more so dry, I guess you can say. Not so much dirty. So a cold wash is perfect for this moment right here because it's not really dirty, just dry, So I use a good bit of this cold wash because I'm using it on my entire head. And the consistency of it is very creamy / slippery, silky. Like, you guys can just see just how silky it is. And when I applied it to my hair, it really was so soft, y'all. Like, it was really, really soft in my hair. It did a great job at co-washing and just give me some more moisture. It most definitely made my hair manageable.
So very, very quick, went ahead and co-washed, and boom, I was done with that. This co-wash just enabled me to just quickly do that, add some moisture to my hair, and then move on to the next steps of styling. So let's go ahead and get right into the styling process and what all I use.
Okay, so I must admit I am feeling a whole lot better after that shower and just washing my hair, y'all. It was just like a okay, that kind of moment. So now let's go ahead and move on to styling. So I've already went ahead and applied my, I'm sorry, this side. I went ahead and applied my leave-in of choice. And now I'm going to use my styler, which is going to be the Honey and Castor Curls. And this is basically going to be my styler for today, okay? So I'm going to be using this. And then on top of that, I'm going to be using the thermal moisturizer. Even though I'm not really applying direct heat to my hair, it still says on here that you can use this as a sealant and also to get a gloss-like finish. So I most definitely want that. So I'm going to be using a little bit of this after I use the Curls product, okay? I'm really excited to see just how this product is going to work on my hair and what it's going to do, because I'm interested, okay? It is, ooh, it's very thick. Well, not very thick, but it's more so creamy than thick. So y'all know I'm here for that. Yes, look at that shine, y'all. Uh-oh. We may be on to something. It most definitely has slipped. So that's a plus. Did a little bit of definition, okay? And now let's go in with the thermal moisturizer. And this has a kind of the same consistency, but a little bit tackier, I would say. So we're just going to apply that on top. And that's going to also be the oil for this style, because it says it's going to leave a gloss-like finish. So that tells me that it has oil in it. More oil than like a regular styler would. So it's going to be enough for this style. Now let's twist. I'm really thinking we're going to have some juicy, juicy twists, sis. That's looking good. Sis, do you see this? Do you see how glossy and shiny and defined my curls are? With that product and that thermal moisturizer? Yo, look at this. Clumped. Wow. Okay, fam, so I went ahead and finished all of the twists, and I did a side part for the first time in a very long time, because I was like, let me go ahead and switch it up a little bit, okay? Let me just say, for one, that those doggone products that I use are so moisturizing, okay? I was a little hesitant at first because it was like a thermal moisturizer, and I was like, I'm not really using heat, but I went ahead, went with my gut, saw the texture of all the products, and I was like, I think we're gonna be good. So let's hope I was right about that. So now let's go ahead and slay these edges before I go to bed. I'm going to be using the edge gel that came with the box, and also the edge brush that they sent me. They are known for having these types of edge brushes. I've gotten like one other from this company, and I'm gonna just take this, and the consistency is not too thick, kind of has a consistency of Eco, but a tad bit more slimy. Actually, it's much thicker than Eco. Let's see what it's gonna do, because I don't know, sis. Oh, hold up. Girl. This edge control just said, shut up. Let me do my job. Wow. Whew. That looks so good. Okay, so edges are fleeked. Okay, y'all, like that edge tamer did not come to play, sis. So y'all already know what's next. We're gonna go ahead and tie these edges on up. All right, that is finished. Now let's go get ready for bed.
All right, y'all. So let's relax a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get me some hot tea, sis. Cause like I said, y'all, my day has been very long, and I just want to relax and just unwind a little bit. So I'm going ahead and brewing me some tea, some green tea, and I even put some Jack Daniels in it. Don't tell nobody, okay? So now let's go ahead and get into this facial routine. Pulling the hair back all the way, of course, that's a necessity, a must. Your hair cannot be in the way, sis, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and just wash my face, do my nighttime routine, and yeah, go ahead and enjoy this. This is my quick unwinding session. This has to be my favorite part of my nighttime routine. It is so relaxing, just spraying my face, putting some more serums on it. I love it. So it is the next day. So let's go ahead and just get this face a little bit beat. Not really beat, but just doing my eyebrows and my mascara just for the camera because I get ready for y'all, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this hair.
All right, y'all, here we go. So you guys have clearly invaded all my personal space. I mean, everything, okay? Y'all have seen me do it all. So let's take it back to this room, which y'all used to, okay? No more seeing the rest of my home. Y'all have seen enough, okay? I've shared enough with you guys. So let's go on to taking these twists out. Because, y'all, I feel like it's going to be a really good twist out. Like, I'm going to let y'all look at these twists, okay? And also, let's look at the edges, okay? The edges are still slayed, baby girl, okay? Like, this edge control did not play with me, sis, okay? This edge control, look, keeps them in place, baby girl, okay? So, this may be my new go-to. It may just be. So, I'm going to just put some oil on my fingers. Y'all know how we do on these parts of these streets, okay? And now let's go ahead and start taking these twists down. I'm getting good feelings about this twist out, y'all. Okay, sis? Separate where it wants to naturally finish the sentence. Where it wants to naturally what? Separate. There we go, sis. See? Learning every video. Alright, so I'm going to go separate the rest off camera and come back and show you guys the final look. Okay, fam, so this is the final look of this twist out, and of course it's way more volume and it looks way bigger than like usual because I did do a side part. So with the side part, of course, more hair is on this side, so it looks like it's way more bigger and fuller. Whoo! Loving the volume. And it still has definition as well with the volume, and it's so moisturized. Like, I can just feel the moisture, sis, for real. Like, it looks so good, okay? Whew. So let me know what you guys are thinking about this look in the comment section down below, and also these results. I want to hear what you have to say, okay? And you guys saw everything today in this video, okay? You guys saw way more than y'all usually do. Way more, dude, okay? So I most definitely raised the bar in today's video, so I really do deserve a comment. Also a thumbs up, okay? Make sure you're subscribed as well because I deserve that as well. And shout out to Originals by Africa's Best for sponsoring today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. I enjoyed these products for sure. Shout out to you guys for being the GOAT for sponsoring your girl's video today. I truly appreciate it, okay? And shout out to you guys for supporting me as well by watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, all that good stuff. So that's it. I'm gonna have fun. Guys. No, you cannot come. Y'all can't come to this, okay? I'm gonna see y'all later in the next video, okay? Y'all cannot come. Next video. Y'all gonna see me then, okay? All right. Bye now.